In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the printer 0X00000BC4 error on Windows 11. We'll walk through each step together to ensure that your printer gets back to functioning smoothly. This error can be a bit frustrating, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the process with ease. First, let's start by running the Printer Troubleshooter. This is a fantastic tool that Windows provides to help identify and potentially fix common issues automatically. To do this, we'll need to open the settings on your computer. You can quickly do this by pressing the Windows key and I together on your keyboard. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the System section. From there, look for Troubleshoot and then click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll see a list of all the available troubleshooters for different issues. Scroll down until you find the printer option. Once you've located it, click Run. The troubleshooter will start scanning to detect any problems with your printer. If it finds any issues, it will offer some recommended fixes. Be sure to apply these suggested solutions as they might resolve the error you're experiencing. If the printer troubleshooter doesn't solve the problem, we'll need to restart the print spooler service. This service manages the printing process and can sometimes encounter glitches. To restart it, press the Windows key and R together on your keyboard. This action will open the Run dialog box. Once the Run dialog box is open, type in services.nsc and hit Enter. This command will bring up the list of services running on your computer. Now scroll through the list until you find the print spooler service. When you've located the print spooler, right-click on it and choose Restart. This action will stop the service and start it again, which can clear out any temporary issues it might have been experiencing. If the print spooler service isn't running, don't worry, we've got that covered too. Simply double-click on Print Spooler, and you'll see a new window pop up. In this window, look for the Startup Type option. Make sure to set it to Automatic. This setting ensures that the print spooler starts automatically when you boot up your computer. After setting the Startup Type to Automatic, click the Start button in the same window. This will manually start the print spooler service. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the printer's 0X00000BC4 error on your Windows 11 computer. It's always a good practice to restart your computer after performing these actions to ensure everything is working correctly. I hope this guide has been helpful and that your printer is now running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.